Hello friends, welcome to C Astrology. So today I am going to discuss about Mercury and Ketu combination. As I told you in the last video, Mercury and Ketu combination is a very important combination in any chart, and it gives lot of different results according to the age of the native. So in detail I'll explain you what is the significations of Mercury, what is the significations of Ketu, and when these two planets conjoin together or are in trine or in opposite direction to each other, what are the results, how you can analyze a chart. So before I begin my video, I pray to Lord Ganesha and Lord Shanidev help us learn this divine knowledge. So Nadi astrology, for the lovers of Nadi astrology, here we are learning Bhrigunandi Nadi, and today our topic is Mercury and Ketu. Mercury and Ketu. So before we start, I'll explain you what are the significations of Mercury. In short, I'll explain you because there are a lot of significations, and in such a short time I cannot spell all the significations. So Mercury is the planet of intelligence, Mercury is the planet of education, Mercury is planet of languages, and Mercury is the planet of media and communication, and Mercury is the planet of girlfriend or boyfriend. Mercury is your younger brother, Mercury is your relative, Mercury is your neighbor. So a lot of predictions you can give through Mercury, and Mercury is your child as well. So because it's a very young planet, in regular astrology you can say Mercury is a prince. So Mercury is also considered as a child of the native. So before we jump, so next is Ketu. What is Ketu? In short, I will explain you. Ketu is end of something. Ketu is the planet of salvation, moksha. Ketu is also the planet of intelligence. Ketu is a rope or chain, you can call it. Ketu is also a foreigner planet. Lot of foreign elements are signified by Ketu, and Ketu is also court case, problems in your life. Ketu is also loans. So these things we will discuss in details in the coming lectures or coming videos. I will explain you, but in short I have explained you all these combinations. So first, if you see a combination of Mercury and Ketu, maybe this combination can be in trine, or sometimes this combination is placed in one house only. Then you can easily predict that Mercury is the planet of girlfriend or boyfriend as per the chart, and Ketu is the planet of salvation. When person goes deep into something, that is defined by Ketu. So Mercury and Ketu, when they are in trine, the person has a very deep love relation with someone. He is deeply involved with someone. Mostly when Mercury and Ketu are in trine to each other, this gives a very strong love affair, and this love affair continues for a very long time. But other planets who are afflicting Mercury can give a break or some kind of problems in this love relations. But as per predictions, we can easily say Mercury and Ketu means deep love relationships. Sometimes you will see in charts there are combination like this: Mercury plus Ketu plus Moon. If these three planets are placed in one house, then easily you can analyze the chart and predict that this native will have a deep love relation with someone, and he will marry that person only, maybe by force or maybe against the wish of his family, because this is a very strong combination of deep love affair. When you see this combination particular in a female chart, Mercury, Ketu and Moon combination placed in one house irrespective of degrees, it is a combination of love affair, and this love affair, this relation continues for a very, very long time, 6, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years relationship, and then it converts into marriage. So this is the combination. You need to study these combinations very carefully. So Mercury and Ketu, I have told you, one combination, strong love affair and deep relations. Second, Mercury is the planet of education. Mercury is the planet of language. Ketu is a foreign planet. Ketu is the planet of salvation. So when there is a combination of Mercury and Ketu, maybe in trine, maybe in opposite directions, these persons very easily can catch the slang of foreign languages, or if they learn a foreign language, it can help them in their life and they can also make it as a profession. Mercury and Ketu combination. This is a very strong combination to learn a foreign language, or a person with this combination can also recite mantras very nicely. Mercury and Ketu combination. Third, Mercury is considered as the planet of law. Ketu is considered as the planet of court case and litigations. So when there is a combination of Mercury and Ketu in your chart, especially if Mars comes into picture, so I'll write it on the board and explain you how this combination works, because this is very important combinations and you will see in lot of different charts. If this is the combination Mercury plus Ketu and Mars, this Mars can be in trine, Mercury and Ketu can be in one house and Mars can be in trine, or if these three are placed together, then you can easily predict about that native that once in your life there will be problems related to land and property, because Mars is the planet of land, Mercury is the planet of house, Ketu is the planet of litigation. And if this combination is formed in the second house of Sun, wherever Sun is placed in the wherever Sun is placed, if this combination happens to be in the second house from Sun, then short prediction, you can easily predict that the father of the native will have litigations or problems related to property, where Mercury, his relatives will be involved, Mars, the younger brother of the father, will be involved. So this is a very strong combination of Mercury, Ketu and Mars. It is a combination of litigation related to property. In another combination, if you see this, Mercury, Venus and Ketu, if they are placed in one house, or if Mercury, Venus are together and Ketu is placed in trine to them, then this is a very strong combination for divorce. If you see this combination in a male chart, 100%, it's a strong combination for divorce and separation. And if there are severe afflictions on this combination, 100% you will see in lot of male charts, they are separated from their wives or they will go for divorce in the coming time. So without any dasha, without any bhukti, with the snapshot combinations of Bhrigu Nadi, you can easily predict about the time, about the events of the native. So Mercury and Ketu combination, I have explained you all the factors which are responsible. The first is, I will repeat again, Mercury Ketu combination gives a deep love relation. Second, Mercury Ketu combination, one thing I forgot to tell you, I will tell you, Mercury is your younger brother and Ketu is, as I have already told you, is a planet of problem, litigations. So there can be litigation or problems with your younger brother also. Third, Mercury is the planet of language, Ketu is the planet of salvation. So these people are very, these people can easily recite mantras, or they can easily catch the slang of any foreign language, or if they learn foreign language, that will be very helpful in their career. Fourth, as I've already told you, Mercury is the planet of law, Ketu is the planet of litigations. So if Mars is there or Venus is there, there will be litigations and problems related to wife or property. Third, one combination I have not covered, I will tell you again. If Mercury, Venus, Ketu, if Mercury, Sun and Ketu are placed together in one house, then person takes his profession as a lawyer. He becomes a lawyer because Mercury is law, Ketu is also litigations court, and Sun is government, higher authorities. So in lot of charts you will see this combination Mercury, Sun, Ketu. These people are mostly in law field or they are involved with some government organizations related to law or all these things related to law. So Mercury and Ketu combination I have covered in this class. In the coming classes I will tell you about remedies according to the Karkatvas of Bhrigunandi Nadi. What remedies we can do, simple and easy remedies, I will explain in the coming classes. Thank you very much.